Everyone, my name is Togor MB Makaranta, a PG student of Federal University of Kashere, representing the northeastern Nigeria in the 2022 National Enterprise Challenge. With me here are farm machines, a four-wheel drive powered tractor and a three-wheel petrol powered handheld tiller. These machines are fabricated using local materials from our metal vendors, also known as Babombola.
This over here is a mini tractor. It works like a tractor, designed to make ridges, plant seed, and also spray herbicide. This over here is a handheld tiller. Also make ridges, spray herbicide, and weed grasses. Why this design? This design is aimed at addressing the challenges of a small-scale farmer, of which I'm one. I'm a small-scale farmer. The challenges faced by this set of farmers is that of accessibility to farm machines. Government have tried by establishing hiring units, tractor hiring unit across the country. These tractor hiring units have not been yielding the desired result, in the sense that a single farmer with 2 hectares of land cannot call a tractor from a far distance. The hiring unit is from a far distance. The tractor hiring unit will also consider the cost of transporting the tractor to those areas. So most of the times they say you should combine yourselves into 5 or 6 before they go there. So it's really a challenge. The second challenge is the issue of affordability. Not all small-scale farmers can afford to till 2 hectares of their land for 30,000, 40,000. Some runs over to 80,000. So one will opt for our traditional way of making ridges, using this top body to till grounds. What makes this design unique? The answer is in its component. The larger percentage of the components are locally made. You don't need to go somewhere looking for spare parts. They are readily available. This is a G-chain motorcycle engine, sprocket, and the chains. And these are the only parts that are not locally made, but all the parts are locally made. If you look at the mini tractor here also, the engine, the Toyota pickup driving system, the foreign parts here, but most of the parts are locally made. And if you look at the sprayer here, it's the same thing. So what's the current stage of this fabrication? These machines are designed to carry out all farming operations, but for now it can only make ridges, spray herbicide, and weed grasses. The market opportunity in these machines is large, considering the number of small-scale farmers we have in this country. Small-scale farmers are the majority. So when you produce more machines, then you have more buyers. Like this hand tiller over here, it can make 50 to 100 ridges in 5 hours with just a gallon of petrol, which is 980 something kobo per liter from the filling station. While this one uses gas, like this tank here, this is the tank, is 1 liter. With 1 liter, you can make up to 50 ridges. So if you look at it, fuel consumption is less, and the work it will do for you this much, and in short time and with ease. Now, looking at the operation, every machine has its tricks. But while building or fabricating these machines, precautions were taken to have safety precautions. Like this one, if you can operate manually transmitted motors, then you can operate this machine. This is the clutch, the throttle, the gear. This one too, if you look at here, here's the gear system. Select the gear, you shift it from 1 to 2. Here's the steering, here's the clutch, here's the throttle, and the brakes. This over here is for lifting the jack, that's the hydraulic system. So operating these machines is easy. Cost of maintenance is less, in the sense that most of these parts you find them as scraps here, like G10 motorcycle engine. I think it's one of the engine that once you service it well, it becomes a new. The same thing with this 1115 diesel engine over here. It's easily maintained. The parts are readily available, so cost of maintenance is less, in the sense that the parts are cheap. You can easily afford them. We use them as generators to power our houses with electricity. So the financial implication of these machines, like I said, a power tiller runs to $1 million plus, but with this 350 to 400,000 naira, you can have this. And this one with $1 million naira, you can afford this one. So if you can see, these machines are made purposely for a small scale farmer, considering the extent of land a small scale farmer operates. 2 hectares, 3 hectares, at most 4 hectares. So so I think that's all for now.